Boys or girls are more sensitive to other people's speech patterns to tell who it is?
I think girls are more sensitive to that.
Okay, girls? Alright.
I think girls are more sensitive.
I think girls.
Okay. After asking people about it, we actually researched it. And so there was this one study that this lady did about talking stereotypes in boys and girls. So she got together a lot of kids and adults and asked them what girls typically do when talking that boys usually don't. So what they got from most people is that they're typically more concerned and aware of the hearer's thoughts. They're more enthusiastic when talking, they provide more details, and they're more emotional.
For boys, majority of them are more forceful, they're louder, and they're more direct with more slang.
Yeah, and they did another part of the study where they got little kids together and gave them a skit, and then they had to read it out loud, and there were male and female parts, and typically they differentiated them with rate, loudness, and pitch. Most of the people we asked said that girls are more sensitive.
And we're gonna find out if that's true.
Yeah. We decided to do a study of our own. Yeah. For this project, there's gonna be 2 people texting together at a time. They're not gonna know who each other are, and they're gonna text for a maximum of 20 minutes. They can talk about anything but the gender of the other person or themselves. By the end of the 20 minutes, they have to guess what gender the other person is, and they only get 1 chance to guess. So are you done yet? Do you guys know who each other are?
No, we're still trying to find out who we are.
Okay. Are you getting closer?
Yes.
Alright, any closer?
Nope, not at all. I don't like
Okay.
this.
You have no idea.
Yeah.
Alright, well,
This is rude. I don't like it.
keep talking. A maximum of 20 minutes, okay?
Okay.
Let's do this. Anything yet? Or did they figure out anything?
Yeah, they figured out about I'm a girl.
Oh, okay.
The first attempt wasn't very successful because the first pair couldn't guess at all, and the second pair, only one person guessed it right.
Yeah, so this time we're gonna change it. Instead of giving them a maximum of 20 minutes and letting them guess whenever, or just not guess at all, this time we're gonna give them 10 minutes at most to talk, and then at the end, they have to give us an answer, no matter what. So even if they have no idea, they're still gonna have to guess, so this way we at least get an answer. This time we did it on the bus because all of us were on the French field trip, so we couldn't get any actual footage of the texting, but the next day we interviewed them to see how it went.
How did the experiment go for you?
It went quite fast as he asked me one question and he figured out, so then he shouted out.
So you found out before you could actually guess.
Yeah.
Oh. How much sentences did you text?
One. Well, first we said hello and then he asked me a question, I answered it, and then he guessed.
If he didn't scream, would you have guessed it was a boy?
I guess.
Okay,
Guess
thank
who
you.
it was?
No.
How'd you guess?
Well, she said she liked to work and do gymnastics, so I took a lucky guess.
Okay, nice. You have a maximum of 10 minutes to guess, starting now. Going so far, do you have anything? Anything yet?
He or she is in SIS and he or she likes basketball.
Oh, okay. Gotten any information?
No.
You guys are texting though, right?
It says, please don't ignore me.
Okay. Well, good luck. And pair 1, girl pair. One of them typed 17 messages and one of them typed 24, and both of them couldn't guess. And pair 2 was also a girl pair. And one of them typed 8 messages, the other one typed 6 messages, and one guessed right and one couldn't guess.
Pair 3 was a girl-boy pair, and one of them typed 3 messages, the other one typed 2 messages. They both guessed right. Pair 4 was boy-boy pair, and one of them typed 24 messages, the other typed 17, and one guessed right and the other guessed wrong.
So, from this, we're guessing that typically people talk clearer and guess easier what the other person is trying to say and who they are when they're talking with a different gender.
I noticed that the person who typed more messages made it was easier for them to guess who they were talking to.
Pretty much how our project went, and thanks for watching. Thanks to some of the people that helped, and yeah, bye. Thank you.